When I purchased my Dewalt Scroll Saw, the light was thrown in as part of the kit. The light included a light bulb, as you can see here. It's an LED light bulb. And here's the light. It was wrapped in plastic so the metal didn't scratch, and I appreciated that. The next step was to put the light bulb in. This was really easy to do. Next, I had to untighten the two back screws to the scroll saw. This was actually harder than I thought. They were really tight. And this Allen wrench worked, but it kept wanting to pop out, so beware of that when you're doing it on your scroll saw. Next, I had to take the light and align it perfectly to the holes. Now this was really tricky because any error here, you risked stripping your screws out and the insert. So be very careful and take your time doing this. Next, I'm going to show you what this light looks like in different situations. Here is with my garage light on. And here it's total darkness. Okay, so my closing thoughts. This is really well built. It's made. I like the flexibility here. It holds its position very nicely. Good job, DeWalt. I appreciate that. However, I can't really recommend buying this or spending the money on it. I currently have a shop that's well lit. You all out there may not, so if you don't, this might be okay, but I just get a lamp. You know, I don't really like the warm color bulb that they provided. I wish it would have been a daylight light. That's just me personally, but that's my thoughts. I'd like to hear your thoughts. Post them in the comments below. And if you like this review, smash that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. And always, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, I'll see you later.